if your eyebrows look like this, non-existent, just keep on watching because we're gonna get some eyebrows together. So some people like to outline their eyebrows with pencils. I do not, because I just go in with my brow gel. And first what I do is I outline the bottom of my eyebrow and I go down, and then I do the top, I go down, and then I fill it in the middle part. I start right here and then I fill it in, and then whatever's left on the brush I take it in the front part, and so it can like fade into my eyebrow. So that's what we're gonna do. And my favorite product right now is the eyebrow gel. Oh my god, this product right here is amazing. I love it so much. Look, y'all, don't make fun of my brush, it is small. I got it with my LA Colors eyebrow pomade, but this brush, y'all, this brush is where it's at. Like, it's small, but it gets the job done because it's so thin, and I love it. So yeah, and then you're gonna need some concealer to clean it up at the bottom, and a flat brush for the concealer. All right, let's get started. So first I just take my brow gel and I just put some on my hand like that, just a little bit. Close it so it won't dry out. Then I take my brush and I just dip it in there, coat it on both sides. And then we're just gonna get the outlining first. Like I said, I just do the bottom first. And don't worry if you mess up, because that's why we have concealer, to clean it up. Like that. Not too far, but yeah. And now we're gonna go on the top and outline that. And it's okay if your eyebrows don't match. They're not supposed to match. They're not twins, they're sisters, cousins, friends, whatever, but they're not twins. I've had to learn that the hard way, because I get so mad when my eyebrows don't match, and I'm just like, wow. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit of product and just fill it in. And like I said, I don't have any more on the brush. And we're just gonna flick it up in the inner part. Just like that. Like I said, it's not gonna be perfect right away because we're gonna still have to clean up the eyebrow. Grab a little bit more product if you want it to be darker. And just place it on the eyebrow. All right, and what I like to do, I like to go like this. And where your nose starts, that's where I usually start my eyebrow. And I put a little dot and I connect that line to it. Like that. And then again, without no product, I just flick it up. Like that. And I'm gonna do the other brow. other eyebrow and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back with both of them on. Now we're just gonna clean them up under the under eye and we'll be done with our eyebrows. Just gonna take my Born This Way concealer, just a little bit, and my brush. Just gonna dab it in there and we're gonna outline the eyebrow. What this does, it just makes it more cleaner. And you can either use foundation as well to clean up your eyebrows if you don't like the highlighted look. I'm gonna blend that out. Just like that, and then I'm gonna take my blender and just blend that out. You see how that made a difference? All right, so this is the completed look. If you want, you can put brow gel on your eyebrows to make them stay, but I don't because this product right here already like hard enough, so it'll let my eyebrow hairs stay in place. So I don't really use eyebrow gel. I don't think I have used eyebrow gel. I don't know, but I don't use it, but you can use it if you want. I hope you guys learned something from this video. I know it was quick, short, and simple, but all you have to do is just practice at it, and I promise you, you'll get better. I promise you, because I don't have eyebrows, as you can see, and now I got eyebrows. You just gotta practice it. I promise you. Just practice it, and you'll be A1. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next one.